Hi guys, so over the past 2 days I've been working on my painting and I've done some more and it's coming along nicely, so I will show you that. And yeah, it's coming together good as well. I will be doing some more over the weekend and then posting a video here on my channel for you guys to see. So yeah, it's it's coming together okay, like I said. So yeah, so now coming up will be my bird painting update for you all. So, as you guys can see, I've done a bit more. So I'll show you it up close. Yeah, I've done a bit more. So I've still got a bit more to do. But yeah, it's coming together okay. And hopefully, once it's all finished, it should look like this. That is what it should look like once it's all finished. So, yeah. Well, after I've done this one, I will be getting another painting to do. Not sure what one to do yet. I might go over to Hobbycraft and get one to do. But yeah, it's coming together nicely. I've been working on it over the past 2 days, so yeah. So guys, that was my update on my painting so far. Like I said, I will be doing some more over the weekend and I will be posting a video for you guys to see. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, it's freezing cold. So yeah, I do hope you like my painting. Like I said, I will be doing some more painting pictures, so stay tuned for them. After I've done this one, I'm not sure what one to get next, but I will have a look round on Amazon and also go over to Hobbycraft, see what ones they've got over there. So guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. And guys, thank you for watching and I will see you all very soon in the next video. Bye for now guys.